East vs. West All-Star! Hey man, final event of All-Star Weekend, obviously. In Indianapolis, reacted to everything yesterday and the celebrity game and the Rising Stars the day before. So let's see how it ends with the East versus the West. Please be a good All-Star game, man. Please be a good All-Star game. Definitely expect the West to win. I mean, they have such a better team. It's actually insane. But, it's the All-Star game, so we'll see what happens. LeBron! LeBron's going to try to be doing some. First time Curry not starting in a minute. I have not been used to that. Bam got to start over Embiid. Obviously, with Embiid injured. They subbed in Bam. Good. Lillard always goes off. Damn! Lillard always goes off in All-Star. Obviously, Halliburton at home trying to put on for the squad. Damn! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What the hell? What the hell is going on? Oh my goodness, another one! Damn! Oh my God, he's going for the MVP in the hometown. He hasn't even been playing that nice lately. He hasn't even been playing that nice lately. That's the thing. Oh my goodness, for 15! He already has 15, 5 threes. He's coming out and giving energy. Okay. Damn. Yannis. Oh. Oh. Off his back, though? Damn, gonna pull a three? And make it off his back, damn! Damn. Bam can't shoot at all, can he? I mean, he never tries it. He makes it from when he tried, so. Ooh. 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 Okay. LeBron. Taking off. Yeah, that's why he's like 20th. Lillard! From the logo. Oh my goodness. Ooh, 3 miles per hour, bro. Lillard. Come here, Kevin. Come here, Kevin. Celtics with the best record in the East, Joe Mazzulla and his staff. Curry! Okay. Oh. What the hell? Hey, man. Okay. Mob to book. Mitchell. Mitchell. Damn. Damn. One like. Okay. Dame. The closers of the West. Cat. Ooh. You can't speed him up. Lillard. Come here, Bon. Okay, he's doing nice right now. Some defense being played. George. Pass to LeBron. Okay. Wrong, it's 4 for 10. How are you 4 for 10 in an All-Star game, bro? Damn. Damn. Oh, they said Paul George guarding him. Oh, Trey Burke in that leg. Damn, Kevin. Damn, Kevin. Damn, Kevin. Damn. Kawhi in the game. That's the cat. Oh. And listen, Sabrina got 26, which would advance her into the finals of the actual three-point contest if she wasn't shooting it. This guy Dame is different. This guy Dame is different. The three-point contest back-to-back winner. Sabrina don't want to smoke with Dame either. Come on. I don't even know. Nah, I mean Curry. I want to see Curry versus Dame. That's what I'm trying to see for real. Stop! There's the answer, right? The number one answer. For an all-star game to eclipse 200 points. And right now Burton in the corner. Okay. Jokic. You know he's slamming. Ah. Okay. Oh my goodness, that boy is not missing a single freaking shot. Damn. Kevin.
It's like they played together before.
It's like they played together before. You think? Damn, that was a nice switch. Yeah, forever. That was a nice ass switch. Rick! Okay. What just happened? His man Dame is different, bro. He be doing it in All-Star games, bro. Little guy. Damn. Okay, Shay. Brown. Okay. Curry. Oh. The All-Star game is just, they gotta find a way to make this shit, like, fun again, bro. Competitive. Okay. Trey. Nice. Damn, they might score 200! Brunson. Brunson. First All-Star game. Come on, Scotty. Don't pass. I like that. I like that. Brown. Okay. Then Brown. Yeah, they definitely scored 200. That'll probably be the record, right? I don't think they ever scored 200. Oh. He ain't called that one. They don't look like he called that one. Damn, JB. Chillax, brother. Hey!
The 4- and 3-man weave. That's where we're gonna hold players back. Yes. Allowing the legends to come back and
SG.
the new star.
Hey! Damn, we banking shit right now. 18-point game. Need a run right now. Come on. Cat. Damn. Damn. Oh my goodness, Jaylen Brown dagger. She's they definitely scoring 200 too. Damn. Damn, why did y'all get smacked? These were just making the threes. They were just making hella more threes. It's a shooting contest in the All-Star game, honestly, especially since they're not playing no defense. For 200, it had to be Halliburton in Indiana. Damn. Baron said, give me another one. Okay. Hallie. Cat. Damn. Yes, 50! Cat has 50! Dame. I said Dame's MVP. Even another one, 2 half-court shots? Oh my! This guy's different. Just honestly, this is why I keep saying he needs to keep shooting it for Milwaukee. He needs to be the one to freaking beat the initiative. Bro, Giannis, defer to him a little bit more, bro. Make it 50-50. It feels like Dame be referring to Giannis too much, bro. Doc Rivers, you're literally coaching right now somehow, some way. Somehow, some way, you're literally coaching. Jokic. Yo, what is this guy? Like, Jokic is so funny, bro. Doc Rivers, you're literally seeing that. But yeah, man, W All-Star game, let me know. W All-Star week, we react to all the events. Now we had a little 3-day break. And then I think it starts back up on Thursday, so I can't wait for the second half of the season. It's been an amazing season so far, and we'll see what ends up happening. But yeah, All-Star game, and East destroys them. Wow, 200 points.